Fine, this is 17th problem. Let me solve this. In the given figure, what is the value of angles BAC and as well as BCD? That is BAC. This x degree I need to find out, and y degree. See, let us first consider the triangle ABC. Right? ABC. They have given 55 and 45 degree, right? The sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree, right? So sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So now this is going to be 180 degree. So we have to find out it is BAC, right? Angle BAC we need to find out, which is nothing but 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B. So now 180 degree minus angle A is 55 degree plus angle B is 45 degree. Not 45, which is going to be 42 degree, right? This is 42 degree. So which is going to be 180 minus 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 4 9, 97 degree. If you simplify, so 180 minus 97, that is nothing but 83 degrees. This is 83 degree. X degree is, this is 83. Now we have to find out the BCD. Right. So to find BCD, so what we can do, this is, so we know that the ACD is equal to 180 degree. Right. Angle ACD. So now angle BCD, which is going to be 180 degree minus, so 83 degree. So which is nothing but, right, 83. 10 minus 3 is 7. 17 minus 8 is 9. 97 degrees. This is 97 degrees.